In this video we going to review Panasonic NN-SN97JS Microwave Oven. This is one of the most popular and best microwave oven you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. Let's talk about Panasonic NN-SN97JS Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NN-SN97JS is the best microwave if you're looking for the speed of a microwave combined with the browning and crisping you get from a broiler. You can use both functions simultaneously, which is ideal for dishes like macaroni and cheese that you want moist and creamy inside but crunchy on top. It's also equipped with lots of pre-programmed microwave cooking settings for cooking, reheating, and defrosting. This 1250-watt high-power, 2 cubic foot capacity stainless steel countertop, built-in microwave maintains the full flavor and nutrients of your favorite foods with cyclonic wave technology for ultra-efficient cooking at all temperature levels. This countertop microwave with 16.5-inch turntable is thinner, lighter and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. For details, let's watch more.